Hola amigos, welcome to my kitchen. This is Fatima and here you will find recipes from my country of origin, Spain. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Aquí encontrarás recetas de mi país de origen, España. Today I'm going to share with you one vegetable recipe that we use a lot in Spain. That is a Swiss chard. We call it acelga. We have so many recipes, different type or different ways to cook the Swiss chard, but I think the one that I'm going to share with you today is the most simple and most popular one. Hoy voy a compartir una receta de una verdura que nosotros utilizamos mucho en España, que es la acelga. Hay muchas formas de prepararla, pero esta para mí es una de las más sencillas y verán qué rica es. Si no se han suscrito a mi canal, por favor háganlo, es gratis y así podrán apoyarnos un poco más. The ingredient that we need for that recipe, of course, is a bunch of Swiss chard that I wash it really well. Potatoes, I have here 2 potatoes, some paprika, dulce, sweet paprika from Spain, and garlic and some olive oil. So let's start making our dish. As always, all the ingredients you will find it at the end of this video and also at the description box. Ingredientes en español lo encontrarás en la descripción de este video. We wash very well our leaf, so now we are going to cut the white stem off of the leaf. So we just make a cut from the white stem and take out the leaf and cut this enough. So we do that with all of them. So we cut the white, I do is I roll all the leaves, the green leaf, and I just cut it. That is the size you would like to. And I'm start putting it in my pot for water. So I roll all my leaves, the green leaf, cut it. Put it in my pot. Now with the white part, the stem, we cut off the bottom, we discard it, and with the white ones, you know, with a small knife, we peel it. You know how you see how it takes this out? We take this out. It's like a membrane, and take it out. That's it. Then we cut it. How you wish to cut it, and put it to the water. If those white leaves are very big or very wide, maybe you can do it, I discard this part that is dirty and this part, and then with the knife you just see how you see that membrane and you take it out. You see? And then we cut it. So I have 2 potatoes, I cut them, and because I wanted to boiling with the Swiss chard, I cut it in small pieces. I want the potato to be done at the same time as the Swiss chard, and I put it in my pot with water and some salt to boil. Some salt and one thing that you have to get in consideration is that the Swiss chard reduce a lot. Depend how many people are you cooking for, you have to take that in consideration. It's like the spinach that reduce a lot. Are done, you see, you try them. I just try one and they're perfect. And what we want to know if it is the white stem is done as well as the potatoes. So I'm going to strain the Swiss chard, and I want to keep the liquid where it was cooked because they have flavor and we can reuse it, even we can freeze it and use it again. Okay, I clean a little bit my kitchen and I transfer the potatoes, the Swiss chard, in a pan, because now in another pan, sorry I only have one pan in where I'm filming, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. So I cover my pan with olive oil and wait to heat it up. And now I'm going to fry my pork garlic. When you fry garlic, you have to keep an eye, always I tell you, in the pan, because you know it can burn very easily. You see how our garlic is turning a little bit of brown. So now I'm going to have the sweet paprika. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of pimenton, and when you do pimenton you have to, you know, mix it really well. I'm going to turn off and you see how it's still and you smell it. And now all this I'm going to put it here, my pan with my Swiss chard, and all this liquid I put it on the Swiss chard. And now I just mix it really well. And what I like to do is, from the liquid of the Swiss chard, I'm going to put a little bit here, you know, to soak just a little bit. I'm going to add now a pinch of salt. And just mix it really well. You see how it took the color of the pimenton, and that smells so good until you see that the liquid get a little bit evaporated. This is our dish. Don't you think that is easy and tasty? Let's try. You know that I always try. You know, the Swiss chard, I think it's a very unknown vegetable, but I like it. Is, you know, it's like they have a lot of vitamins. It's very good for you, and it's similar to the spinach. But you know how I told you, it reduces when you cook it a lot. So you know, if you have a crowd to feed, you have to get a lot. You know, the liquid that we boil the Swiss chard, and you know, you can freeze it, you can use it for a veggie stew, and you know, don't throw that away because that is have a lot of flavors. This is the recipe of today. I hope you have enjoyed. It's very easy to make. It's very flavored. The flavor is amazing. It's very different way to cook the Swiss chard. I hope you make it, and leave me in your comment if you made it and how, you know, came out. If you like this video, please subscribe and notify, you know, that I upload every single Thursday. So I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.